I think. What a beautiful little angel. He couldn't harm anyone, could he? Well, if you know kittens, you know where this is going. Wait, what? She bites too? Guess it's just a cat thing.